Remove the two clips that secure the glove box door by its hinges. Pull the two clips towards the middle with your fingers or use a pair of pliers.
Open the glove box. Remove the damper cord from the glove box. Detach the glove box from the hinges. Pinch the tabs on the side of the housing to open the housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing door. Reinstall the damper cord and reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Close the glove box.
Reinstall the pins by squeezing the bottom and threading it through the hole. Once the center is pressed down, the pin will be locked.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.